Hey guys, what's up? So, gonna be doing another unboxing. Second video in a very long time, obviously. Figured I'd do it. These are pretty easy, quick videos to make, so this is gonna be the first box. I have another box that is coming tomorrow. It was one order, but fortunately one didn't get delivered today, so just have this one. Gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. So, as always, pictures will be on Instagram. Another video will be coming. One guy said I should do a collection update. I agree. Definitely should. Definitely want to do that soon, without a doubt. Maybe another video or two. Like I said, the next one's going to be another unboxing, and then after that, I'll do a collection update. I think that'll be a pretty cool video. I just got to kind of organize everything to make it look neat and clean. So, anyway. So these two models that I've wanted. One I don't think is old, but this one has been out for quite a while. It is the, let's see it. It's the Liebherr LTM1050. It's a WSI made. I've wanted this crane for a long time. I don't really have any mobile cranes, so it's something that I've been interested in getting, and figured that I'd try this one. It was fairly, it's fairly inexpensive, so and I've heard really good things about it. So picked that up, and to add to the black fleet of trucks that I've been getting, got a Black Pete 367 first gear with the red tag trailer. So happy with this one. Thought it was a pretty cool buy. Something a little different. So not really different, but wanted another. Figured I'd get all the black trucks. I'm just missing a few out there. So I really like the Black Fleet on Instagram. Outback Custom Models. That's kind of where I got the idea from. Not really copied him, but in some way I am. It's the fleet of black trucks that he has going, the T800s and the couple of Macs he has. It's awesome. So something I figured I'd give a go for and try to get a few and make a little fleet out of an all black fleet. So definitely sharp looking trucks. So open up both of these boxes real quick. Always dig through the peanuts. You never know. Maybe they drop something in there. Both these models came from 3000 Toys. Sometimes people ask me that on Instagram. I don't know if they're foreign or they just don't know where to buy. But I buy primarily all my models from 3000 Toys, DHS Diecast, eBay. I get a lot on eBay, things that you aren't maybe new, that aren't that have been out for a while, and somebody has them on there. I've gotten quite a few models on eBay, but primarily DHS Diecast, 3000 Toys. Ed's Diecast Shed's another good one. He has great prices. I actually haven't ever ordered anything from him online. I've just spent a ton of money in person with him. So at his open house last month, just about a little over a month ago. Definitely something to get to if you're in the northeast area, around the New York, Connecticut, southern New Hampshire area. Definitely something to check out. Another piece here. So yeah, definitely that's something I would suggest checking out. And really awesome, great guys, and really a fun day to go to. So, and it's not too overcrowded, so it's nice. You get to talk to a lot of people, meet a lot of people. I've met a lot of people there this past time more than the winter one. But there is a winter one coming up. I believe it's in December. He does another one. That's the first one I went to last year. Just making sure it's in the view of the camera. So this is nothing special that anybody hasn't, you know, that everybody hasn't seen before, but just a P367 triaxle tractor, all black. You know, hood opens, engine detail, doors will open. They take the little piece of plastic off. Half fenders in the back. Might end up changing those. I have a bunch of T800 fenders just hanging around. Been thinking about maybe throwing those on. Those are black. I don't know. I kind of like the half fenders. I gotta see. You know, I always do something to make it my own. So, but yeah, definitely a cool truck. Just a basic first gear black P367. Came with a red tag trailer. Only thing I don't like on this, and I don't really understand why, they put the white wheels. That I don't get. White wheels on the red tag. The other red tag trailer, or not tag trailer, lowboy. The other red lowboy I have with the T880 is chrome, and that would have made more sense to match the tractor. I don't know why they're white, but not a big deal. Easy fix. Might just paint them black, something a little different. So. See what I'm going to end up doing with it. But again, nothing special on that. Now I'll open the crane. Really been excited to get this one. Nice, opened it up the right way. Not going to do too much on camera, just going to take it out. I'll do all the up close and in-depth pictures on Instagram. So. Really awesome model so far, it looks like. Haven't really done anything with it, but looks really cool. Like I said, I'll get some cool pictures of it on Instagram. Definitely check it out. And thank you to all the people that watched my last unboxing, and hopefully, you know, keep watching. I'll definitely have more videos out, so don't just give up on just watching one and forgetting about it again. So, which is my own fault. Didn't make any videos, but anyway. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you don't already, and keep watching because there'll be plenty of more videos coming. Like I said, tomorrow's going to be another unboxing, the other half of pretty much this one. So, alright, thanks everybody for watching. Like I said, check Instagram. That's where pictures of this will be. So. Alright, thanks everybody, and yeah, like I said, check out pictures on Instagram.